What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Ford Era and another What the Truck. We got this really cool Highboy behind us, and it is owned by Brent and Devin. And guys, what the truck?
What the truck?
How's it going?
It's my 1970 Highboy. Me and Dad built it just in the garage there beside the house, and put the 12 valve Cummins in it.
What's oh, go ahead.
Go ahead.
I was gonna say, what's the background on it? Like, when did you guys get the truck? Is it like a new thing? How did you get into Ford trucking in general?
Okay. I've always been in the bump side trucks, and I actually owned this truck back in 2002. I bought it from a guy in Oregon, and drove the truck on a daily basis for about a year or so, and I actually sold it when my son here was 3 days old, and then fast forward about 14 years, my son said he wanted a project truck to work on, and so we reached out to the guy that I sold it to, and he was kind enough to sell it back to us, and basically from there it kind of just snowballed to what it is now.
So how long ago did you guys start? Like, how long was the process of rebuilding?
We've been working on it for about 3.5 years now, and we just got it, I guess, finished up enough about 3 weeks ago to do a couple shakedown miles on it, and then we hopped in it and drove it down here from Pennsylvania.
Heck yeah. And I think it's really cool that the two of you did it together in your garage. You know what I mean? Like, nothing fancy, just dad and son learning, having fun, making memories.
Yes, yeah, exactly. You want to say something?
Yeah, we just wanted like a nice driver, just so like the underneath it's not all painted up. It's most all satin black, and
so this is a, I mean, everything on here is the original parts, but then you guys restored everything and got it back to good, if not better condition.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, when we started out, we kind of wanted to keep it kind of original looking with the divorce case and the leaf springs and everything, and yeah, just kind of restored it with like my son said, with satin black. And we did use we cut out the factory four-wheel drive cross member because it was a factory four-wheel drive truck when we bought it.
Okay.
And used the Dodge, a 1989 Dodge Ram cross member to mount the Cummins in it.
Nice.
And we're running the Getrag 5-speed behind it.
That is awesome. And now since you said Cummins, we got to show them this bad boy.
Yes, of course.
So what exactly is it?
It's a 12 valve non-intercooled.
Okay,
just
so this is,
we wanted reliability.
Nice.
Our goal was to make it look like it was put in there from factory.
It looks so tidy.
Thank you.
And because you don't have the intercooler, you have so much space in your firewall. Like, my truck's got the 12 valve. I couldn't get off my back valve cover without taking the cab and lifting it.
Oh, okay.
So that is really nice. I mean, you could see everything in here. The turbo looks tidy. I love that you guys wrapped the exhaust, stuff like that. Like, that's some really nice attention to detail right there. That is super cool. And how old are you now? 17. You're 17.
Yep.
And you have this under your belt, dude. You're gonna go some places. You know that, right?
Thank you.
So what else have you guys done? You did all the paint and body work, or this is how it was?
Yeah, we did all the body work there at the house.
Wow.
Just
the two of you?
Yep, pretty much.
Dang. You guys don't have a restoration shop? You sure?
No.
Wow. I love this thing. Yeah. It is like such a cool looking Highboy. And then tell me a little bit about the interior. Let's
yeah, but it's a factory green seat out of another. It's actually two trucks.
Oh, really? The original actual seat, vinyl?
Yep, they're...
Wow.
Yep, we bought the one off somewhere and then got the other one somewhere else.
That is cool. Oh, I love those gauges.
Yeah, but then that's the F600 cluster. We did find AM/FM factory radio.
Nice. And I love the little details. The carpet, not carpet, but the rubber mat looks nice. The door panel's looking clean. It's such a tidy truck.
Thank you.
Closes perfectly. Wow. So you guys drove this down here?
Yeah. Yes.
And what else are the plans for it? Just start clocking miles, or?
I guess I like to sometimes put vintage air in it, maybe intercool it, and I'd like to find a Dana 60 out of like Snow Fighter Dana 60.
That would be really nice. Awesome. Well, I'm gonna go bust out the drone, get you guys some cool drone shots, and see you right after. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the drone footage, and I hope you guys like this truck. Devin, let everybody know where they can check you out. What's like your Instagram?
You can check me out at F250 Fummins Swap with 1S.
Okay, and are you on Facebook by chance or no?
No.
Okay.
Nope.
Awesome. And man, I still can't get over how pretty this truck is.
Thank you.
Awesome. Well, you guys, if you don't already, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, comments, drop them down below. And if you can, smash that like button. If you want to head over, support the channel, go to FordEra.com. We got hats, t-shirts, all types of good stuff. We'll see you in the next video.